how to make an alt account on Discord and use them both in the same time. So hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you a updated way on how to use two Discord accounts on your same PC at the same time. So first off, I have the Discord application over here, and what you're going to do is you're going to close your Discord application. So you're not just going to close it from here, but you're actually going to open up that application and click on quit over here. And once you quit the application, you're going to open up a new browser on Chrome. So you're going to open up a new incognito window, and you're going to open up Discord over here. And you're just going to click on Discord. You're going to open up discord.com, and then you're just going to click on open Discord in your browser. You're going to enter whatever username you might want, and then you're just going to go ahead and continue. And you're going to verify that you are a human over here. You're just going to complete this verification process over here. And now we are just using a different account to continue on. And now you can see my Discord account has been created, and now I'm just going to open up my Discord application over here. So I'm just going to open up the application, and now you can see that my application is running a different Discord account. So you can see over here, I am logged in on my actual Discord account, and then over here, I have my alt account. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video.